How to use System Restore on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use System Restore on Windows 11. It's super simple process, so let's get started. First, in order to do that, we need to press Windows and R in order to open the Run dialog box. Now, in the Run dialog box, you need to simply go ahead and enter rstrui.exe. Once you have done that, you need to go ahead and click OK. Now, as you can see that you are in the Restore System Files and Settings option over here. Here, System Restores will help you fix the problems that might be making your computer run slowly or not responding. You need to simply go ahead and click on Next. And from here, you can go ahead and choose the state where your computer was before you have made any changes. Once you have chosen it, you need to simply go ahead and click on Next. And now, once you have confirmed your restore point, you need to simply go ahead and click on Finish. And once you do that, you need to click on yes. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.